Welcome back to the garage, everybody. If there was two themes on my channel in the past year or so, it would be lack of videos and lack of taking care of the garage. But we're going to work on one of those today. Actually, both of them, because this is a we're on a whole new path here. We are going to try to get some of the things ready to go to finish off our new garage bay. Yeah, we got the Earnhardt car, we got the pink bicycle, the Ranger, and everything inside here is just a mess. So we did a couple different house clean outs and things. So this ended up being the catch-all area. And so we need to get this bay done. We have a brand new lift sitting over in that pile of stuff. And we are thinking we are going to do some tin on the ceiling, drywall on the edges, but we can't put lights up. It's always so dark in here. And like all the stuff over here is just shoved over here because we need to clean out this area so we can start organizing everything. So all of the projects and things that we want to do on the channel are kind of contingent on this bay being completed. If you haven't been following along on the channel, we put this addition on, oh man, they started it probably almost 2 years ago. A little over that. And then last fall, it was ready to be like finished and we got some insulation done, some wiring, things like that. And then it got cold and we were just like, doesn't matter. But we really would like to work in here over the winter months, and we have a lot of work to do in here before it's really properly ready to be organized and everything put away. So that's what we're going to work on today. Obviously, this is not going to be done today, but we would like to start getting a lot of these projects wrapped up, and it'd be nice to work inside. So that's what we're going to work on. We're going to get this car out of here and then just start back there. We might even go pick up the tin for the ceiling. See if she starts. All right. And we will get back to the Dale car before too long here, but just got a couple things on order for it. So we'll try to get her finished up. We got the big man himself. Should we go get metal right now? Should you call it in so they can get it cut?
The thing that I'm concerned about is any variation from end to end. I just do not want to get it cut like to an exact.
I think we just check it.
Like every 5 feet.
I don't think you gotta check that often. I would check it at this end, in the middle, and that end.
Hi, I was giving you a call about getting some white tin for the ceiling of my garage. And I was gonna have you guys cut it just to the length I need, but I didn't know how much lead time you guys need to know on that.
If you give us 24 notice, we can have it ready for you.
Okay. All right. I'm cleaning out the garage right now to kind of get up there and get a good measurement, and I'll probably call you later today and then try to pick up tomorrow if at all possible.
Change of pace here. We have a man lift for the forklift that's going to help us get all the ceiling and everything up high done, but that needs to be assembled. I think we're pretty close to where we're going to be as far as clean out for right now, because we need to get measurements as quickly as we can to get that to the tin place, and we probably won't move all of this stuff. We'll move it up front and then back or something. I don't know, because we don't have really a place to go with everything in the back at this moment.
Oh yeah. Looks like.
Now, are we going to OSHA harness in and everything with this?
I mean, it comes with it.
Does it come with a harness?
Well, not harness, I'm sorry. But like a chain door thing.
Oh, there it is.
You know what, this might not require that much assembly.
It looks like you just kind of pop it up.
Yeah.
Which, okay.
Oh, cool.
One side is assembled.
I don't know about that. Like, there's a lot of things in here.
I wouldn't worry about them. You can go up in it first.
There's the wheels. There's that. Oh, here, I see. Maybe.
It has wheels, so you can move it around.
Yep.
That's kind of cool.
Got caught on that side. There it goes.
All right, pretty cool. I like it.
Yeah, I don't know. It feels like it'd be better to work in than...
Yeah, absolutely. Than just standing up on a board.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Get your money back.
Oh, snap. Full refund.
I mean, this thing's not even going to be functional with that dent.
I assume these are the slots at which the forks go through.
I think you use it as is.
Yeah, a
little slick.
slippery.
You want to be gentle moving around.
Yeah. I didn't grease it up first.
Yeah. And yourself. That way when you hit the ground, you just slide.
They don't need much.
Mm-mm. According to the welds that I'm looking at down here, they also cannot take much.
We take it to the top of the driveway and you hop in?
Nope. No, it's just... Stop.
Okay, I'm trying to pass this.
Oh no, don't go out the door. It's gonna flip.
Oh gosh. Hold on.
It's like going out.
It's not. It's not going to be out.
If it looks like it's getting crazy, it's because it is. The forklift has no brakes. We just had to tow it up from the building up here. And anyways, he'll do like 100 miles an hour. And so I am the brakes for the skid, or the, not skid loader, the forklift. We had a skid loader for so long. Should I just let go and see how much brakes he really has? That's actually probably the best view right there.
If you go in the garage, you got to be the whole way down. And I know that because if you look up, I've already gone in one time without being the whole way down.
Ah.
There we go.
I've drawn the short straw of going up in the Chinese basket with Lance driving. I am locking it down just so we're safe.
Now you're safe.
And we're going to use this for our...
Level or going to tilt it?
Level's fine, whatever. It feels good where we are right now.
I'll get over there first.
Yeah, why don't we get there?
Alright.
So we're going to measure a couple spots so that if there's any difference in the distance.
Like 3 spots. We'll do once over the chairs.
Yeah.
And then go back here in the very beginning.
Yeah, we're going to measure 3 spots. Make sure it's consistent the whole way for our tin.
That's kind of in gear, out of gear there.
Yeah, I know.
I try not to use the brakes.
We're going up.
Feeling good?
Oh, we're good.
I'm going to take you over.
Okay. I'll tell you what, this thing feels good actually. Yeah.
Good.
Much better than the scaffolding.
Okay.
Up a little bit?
A little more?
Yeah, a little bit more. That's good. Alright.
Try to be as straight as you can. I don't know.
You know me and being straight. Alright. 209 and 15 sixteenths.
Okay. Is that good?
Yeah, that's good. 211 and a 16th. Whoa! No, you're good. You're so good.
Okay. I was going to say, I don't have anything up there.
Yeah, there's no
I
problems.
looked like 4 or 5 times.
210 and a 16th. I'm wondering over there if I'm just not straight. You know what I mean? Like it's going haywire or something. Well, this video is going to be all over the place because we are calling in the tin right now, so it'll be ready for tomorrow. I don't know that that's going to be part of this video. Might be, but I don't think so. What we do need to do is the Jeep, the white Wrangler, is it had to go out for an alignment. It needed a few little things, it's at the it needs to go to the enhanced inspection place from the alignment shop. This is kind of a day in the life video because this is what it's like. It's like we do something for 2 hours and then get a call and you have to go do something else. So that's just kind of how it is around here. So I think that's what we're going to go do because you got to have 2 people because otherwise you'd end up with a car somewhere you didn't want it. So we're going to run over and move this Jeep around. We are on the road and we are going to call an audible here and we are going to do the few little things that the Jeep needs right over here rather than bringing it home, doing the few little things it needs and taking it back because they are minor. So it needs a license plate, like light and panel for the actual license plate. Just the light's broken, but you got to replace the whole assembly. Wiper blade, and we got to pull the tint off of it. Pennsylvania. So we got to do those few little things and then it will pass the enhanced inspection and we'll go pick it up at some point after that. All right, here she is. Show you the license plate holder there, all busted up. I'm gonna work on the tint. Tint is done. How's it going back here? You got that good? Did you just break the old one to get it off?
Yes.
There's some bolts down below there that you can't get, so we'll have to get those at home. But we got some windshield wipers because it needed those. And let me tell you, these were $4. We have an account at a local parts place, and these were $4. I don't know how they make them for $4. Do you understand how they make them for $4?
No.
That is some Temu stuff right there. We are back. We're probably still going to do a little bit of cleanup here, but I think this is where I'm going to leave you. No, we didn't get a ton done today, but the Jeep stuff, it's not close to us, so that kind of threw a wrench in there, and we'll have tin hopefully tomorrow to get started on the ceiling in here, which will be a huge thing because then we can do the insulation. It's all blown in for the ceiling, so that'll get so much more room in there because we just have insulation stacked and stacked. So that's where it's at for today. Thank you guys for watching. We will be back with more garage updates. Thanks for watching.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so